Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this stunning Range Rover Sport Autobiography Dynamic, which is a D300 mild hybrid in Eiger Grey. You have privacy glass, keeping personal items safe, 22-inch alloys with a silver finish, a powered tailgate, which is useful if you have got your hands full. In the back you can see your mats ready to go in the car, and you do also have plenty of space. An electrically deployable tow bar which saves time and effort attaching one and is also discreet when you're not using it. Now you can close it using that button or the one on your key. Carrying on round the car and going to the front, you also have keyless entry, so if I lock the vehicle I can open it just by pulling the handle as long as the key is nearby. Illuminated Range Rover scripted tread plates and a lovely ebony leather interior, which is definitely easier to clean. A sliding panoramic roof, which is really nice on a sunny day, but you can also pull the blind across if you wish. Front centre console cooler compartment, which is handy if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. Different suspension, so you've got higher if you're off-roading, in the middle for just general driving, or lower to make it easier to get in and out of the car. Heated and cooled front seats, ideal for winter and summer, along with heated seats in the back, keeping all passengers happy. Different driving modes. Grass, gravel and snow, mud ruts, sand and rock crawl. You can push a button down for auto. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to connect your phone, along with a 360-degree surround camera and a normal reversing camera, which makes parking and reversing so much easier. Ambient lighting with various different colours to choose from, and you can also adjust the brightness or turn it off altogether. That looks effective, especially in the dark. You can control your deployable tow bar from inside the car. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, all useful when driving along the motorway. A heated steering wheel, which again is luxury in winter. Memory seats, handy if there's several people driving the car, and a Meridian sound system. As I said, this car is brand new, therefore has only got 12 miles on it. Stepping back outside the car, if you're interested in this brand new Range Rover Sport, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.